Hello everyone, welcome back to our official YouTube channel of Language English Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about IELTS Writing Task 2, where we will break down the basics to help you excel in your essay writing. Let's get started. IELTS Writing Task 2. Task 2 is the essay writing section of IELTS writing. You will need to write at least 250 words in just 40 minutes. Your goal is to present a clear, well-structured response to the question. There are 5 main types of essay in Task 2. Identifying the type of essay is crucial as it determines how you organize your response. Because if you are not able to understand the demand of question, you are not able to give accurate response, or we can say relevant response to your task. So for that, you should have knowledge about the essay type. As I told you, there are 5 types of essay. So let's get into these essay types in detail. Number 1 is opinion-based essay. In this type of question, statements can be like this. Some people feel that pollution is increasing day by day just because of human activities. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? See, if you will agree with the statement, you need to give reason for your agreement. And if you will disagree with the statement, you need to give reason for your disagreement. Basically, in this opinion-based essay, you need to give reason for your agreement or disagreement. For your opinion, you need to give relevant reasons. Number 2, discussion essay. In this discussion essay, you need to discuss the point of view of other people's too. Two part of the people will be there. Like for example, some people are thinking that computers should be used in education system, while others think that it should not be. Discuss both the view and give your opinion. The people who are thinking that it should be used, they need to give your reason, like they need to give their reasons. As you are writing this essay, then you need to provide reason according to their thinking. Then the people who are thinking that it should not be used, then again you need to give reason for that. Then third, you need to give your opinion. You think that it should be used or not, you need to go with that. So basically it is a discussion essay. You need to write down the point of view of other people's too and your. Third type is advantages and disadvantages essay. In this type of question, they will directly ask you the benefit and drawback of anything. For example, statement can be like this: people are shifting more and more towards the urban areas. What can be the advantages and disadvantages of this trend? You need to give both. Then fourth type will be problem and solution essay. It can be related to any societal issue, crime, obesity, pollution, anything will be there. They can directly ask you why, what are the problem caused by it and how it can be resolved. In this question type, they can also ask you the reason why this is happening, how it can be resolved, how is affecting the society. For example, statement is, obesity is increasing day by day in youngster. What problem it is causing and how it can be resolved. Similarly, they can ask what are the causes behind it and how it is affecting the youngsters. So you need to understand the demand. Are they asking for problems or they asking for the solution? You just need to understand according to the statement or according to the type of question. Then last but not the least, it is a direct question essay. In this direct question essay, they'll ask you question from the WH family. What is WH family? What, why, how kind of question will be there. So in this essay, they will ask you some direct question. You can say, people are using more and more private vehicle. Why this is the case? How it is affecting the society? Basically, they are asking for causes and effect of it. Direct question can be related to anything. So you need to understand the demand, what actually the demand of the question. According to that, you need to give reason. So next, how essay is marked on your writing task. So for your marking, your essay is marked on 4 basic criteria, or we can say 4 basic parameters. These parameters are task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resources, grammatical range and accuracy. These 4 parameters are of equal weightage, or we can say it is of equal band score. So in this parameter, what we need to take care of, or what we need to get to know about this particular parameter, how we are getting marks. For example, what is task response? In task response, your answer should be relevant. You need to understand the demand, like if they are asking for the advantages and disadvantages, you just need to mention both. So response should be relevant. It's not like that you need to go one side. If they are saying that discuss the problem and solution of this essay, you cannot write down the problems only. You need to go with that solution also. So response should proper response. We need to address the all question parts. Next is coherence and cohesion. Basically, it is linkage or logical writing, that our writing should be smooth and logical. Your idea, whatever you are writing, it should be logical and it should be in a cohesive way. A smooth writing, for example, a proper sentences or proper linkage of connectivity should be there. It should not like that examiner is not able to understand what you are writing. No jumbling of point of views, or sequence should be there. Next type is lexical resources. In this, they are asking for the vocabulary. You just need to use synonyms of particular words. Repetition need to be avoided, as you need to use, it's not like that you need to write down an advanced vocabulary. It is like you need to avoid repetition. Yes, it should be there, advanced vocabulary should be there, but it's not like that it should be that complicated that your essay become that complex. Simple words should be there along with its synonym. Avoid repetition. Then another parameter, that is last parameter, grammatical range and accuracy. So that we can judge, it is grammatical range. Grammar they'll judge us, like tenses, spelling, and sentence structures. What kind of sentence structure we are using? We are using simple sentences or compound, complex, whatever we are writing. Or if we are using compound or complex sentences, we are using it accurately, we are writing it accurately or not. In this parameter, they'll judge this. So in writing task 2, on these parameter, you need to score equal, or you need to score good in all this parameter, so you can get your band requirement fulfilled. So let's move to the essay structure. It is mandatory that you need to stick to a clear structure for your essay. As in your school days, you have written lots of essay on various topics. Again, in this essay also, you need to stick to a particular structure of essay. For example, introduction, then develop your ideas into body paragraphs, then finish it with a concise conclusion. So on that basis, 4 paragraphs should be there in this structure. That is introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, then last is conclusion. So here are some essential tips that you need to follow for your writing task 2. As you have 40 minutes for your whole essay writing, you need to invest 5 minutes on planning, because planning is mandatory to write down a perfect essay. For that, you need to invest at least 5 minutes. While planning this task, you need to stay on topic, because relevancy matters a lot. Whatever they are asking, you need to directly answer that question. Use linkage words, for example, however, furthermore. Cohesive devices should be there. For that coherence and cohesion part, there should be proper cohesive forms, or we can say linkage word. Then next is avoid informal language. We are not allowed to use contractions such as don't, can't, am, wanna, gonna. These are the contraction that is not allowed in your IELTS writing task 2, as it is counted in informal. Last, proofread your tasks. As you need to invest 5 minutes to plan your task, after completing your task you need to proofread it, and for that also you need to leave 5 minutes so that you can go through your minor mistakes and you can correct it. With the help of proofreading you can increase your 0.5. Sometimes there are silly error we make in our essay, so while proofreading our task we have the opportunities, or we can say we have the chance to correct that silly errors. So leave 5 minutes behind just to proofread your task. To score good in your IELTS writing task 2, you need to avoid these common mistakes to maximize your score in essay writing. Always answer your question in 250 words at least, as it is the demand of your question. So avoid writing less than 250 words. Avoid using informal languages such as phrases, idiom. Don't use this, as it will lead to decrease your band score. So avoid not answering all part of the question. Address all the question that they are asking in your statement. Poor time management need to be avoided, because if you are not able to manage your time, you are not able to express your point of view clearly. Because if you have lack of time, you are not able to write down accurately. Sometimes you make silly errors just in hurry. So time management should be there. Here's a practice question for you to try. Pause the video and take 40 minutes to write your essay. Question is, some people think that public transport should be free for everyone. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the statement? Write an essay in 40 minutes, and you need to plan it properly. You need to invest 5 minutes for planning, and you need to keep 5 minutes aside for your proofreading. In actual, you have 30 minutes, right? So in that 30 minutes, invest 5 minutes on introduction, 5 minutes on conclusion, then you have rest 20 minutes. Invest 10 minutes on every body paragraph. Basically, time management is the basic key to score good in your IELTS writing task 2. So that's all for today's video. With regular practice and attention to detail, you'll be well prepared for your IELTS writing task 2. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies.